Hey, what's up? If you're just tuning in, definitely make sure you subscribe to Regan Paris to my YouTube. You can find all things lifestyle, all things hair, marketing, etc. But listen, today I'm going to show you how to basically get a curly style on dry hair. I was looking up so many different tutorials and not everyone tell you exactly what to do for black hair. So I'm going to show you exactly what to do. We're going to use some of Shy Water Products Spectrum. The products exactly that we'll be using are Amplifying Foam, which is like a mousse. We're going to be using the DEUX, which is you can use on straight hair or curly hair. It's like a gel. And then we'll be using the Versatile Styling Cream. I'll be using these together along with my handy dandy Flexy Rods. So stay tuned, I'm gonna show you what to do. So to start out, you have to figure out if you're gonna have a middle part, no part, or a side part. I'm doing a middle part today. So based on my middle part, I then put my hair into 4 different sections just to keep it neat and keep the hair out of my way. I like to start my hair personally in the back. So this is what you see right now. I section that one part. You have to make sure that you wet your hair enough. You put the mousse in it. You put the gels in it. You comb your hair to make sure your hair is straight as possible. As you can see, my hair likes to curl up. And I put the 2 bigger Flexi Rods in the back. And then I change the size of the Flexi Rods as I go throughout. Start with the ends and then work my way up on the Flexi Rods. So as you can see, it's sectioned into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different ones. They're all tight. And then you repeat along your head. All the way around. I have 3 different size rollers in my head. So I'm gonna sleep with these in and we shall see what it's giving in the morning. So I done took them out and these are my end results. After you take them out, definitely make sure you separate each one like this. Separate, split, take the curl, grease your hand, split them just to make it more bigger. This is day 1, so as the days go on, your curly bush will definitely get bigger. I wanted to show y'all the process, but my selfie light started acting up and I couldn't do it. But I will definitely be sure to put the steps below. You saw the process to actually get them in there. The last step is just taking them out. And yeah, subscribe until next time.